There's a thing going on. Please do not turn off your TV. This isn't a drill. You're free to flip the shit out of you. Some random shitty-ass creature has fucking appeared nearby. 1. Their appearance is known to be a giant and he's very fucking blind, lol. There's 198 million deaths from this little piece of shit creature. Please go to safety immediately if you are in these states: Ohio, Ukraine, Asia, and fucking, finally, everyone who lives in Antarctica. Here is how you can survive by this tutorial on YouTube that most people recommend. Step 1. Don single quotes T fight them. If you fucking want to know why, these creatures are powerful and can give you poison by kissing your ass. Step 2. Call for the police. Please remember to call 911 112 999 or whatever bullshit you're from. Step 3. Hide your fucking family. Step 4. Weapons and supplies. Make sure to always have a firearm like a pistol and have food and water supplies for maximum 3 hours. This is the end of this broadcast. If you like this shit, like this video and subscribe to this channel or shit.